We will now walk you through some of the basic copy operations of the Ricoh Ricoh 8300 series. So after I've logged in, I click on my device functions. I can click on OK, and now I'm in my main screen. At this point in time, I have multiple options of things that I can do. I can select which specific paper tray I want or automatically pull from it. You'll notice it'll tell you what paper is in what tray just beneath it, whether it's plain paper or colored paper. I can tell it to sort or stack. If I click on sort, I will get page 1 through 10, page 1 through 10, page 1 through 10 for however many sets I need. If I click on the right button, which is stack, I will get a stack of page 1, a stack of page 2, a stack of page 3, a stack of page 4. If I needed to staple, all I have to do is select the staple function. Pay attention to the direction of the R. The direction of the R will show you how that document is sitting on the document feeder and where that is going to be stapled. If for some reason I have a document that is, maybe it was a GBC punched that I had to disassemble and the sides are nice and curled, it'll be very difficult for the machine to be able to feed that. I can come down and use my original orientation. If I tell it I'm feeding my document upside down, so the letters are facing towards me, I can still tell it to staple in the upper right-hand corner, and the machine will automatically rotate the document 90 degrees or 180 degrees in order to put the staple in the correct position. If I wanted 2 staples on the right or 2 staples on the top, select those individually. This middle one is only going to be used if you are going to create a booklet, otherwise known as a statle stitch document. By selecting that, it will actually engage different functions on the machine to automatically paginate the documents so it knows page 1 and page 4 would be on the same side and page 2 and page 3 would be on the same side. This is more of an advanced function, and please direct your questions to the pad of paper that is located next to it, and we will walk you through those on an individual basis. At this point in time, if I needed to reduce or enlarge, I can select my auto reduction or auto enlargement, or I could select the manual piece. I also, down on the bottom, have enlarge and reduce. I can select what my original size is, what my output size is. I can select directional magnifications or percentages. I can come here and push plus, plus, plus in order to increase. But if you notice, when I select the buttons on the side, it does not change it. You're only changing your quantity. Reduction and enlargements, I've messed the whole thing up. I need to go back to the beginning. If you click on the reset button on the top, it takes you back to the default settings of the machine. If I have single-sided originals and want 2-sided copies, I can come down to my duplex combined original series, or I can click on my simple screen. On the simple screen, I can tell it I have single-sided originals and need to make 2-sided copies, or 2-sided copies and to make from 2-sided originals. I can combine and I can sort and group as well. Again, that's just the simple screen up in the top. Down in the bottom here for duplex combined series, it'll tell you single-sided to double-sided. When you see the yellow, you know that that function is activated. If I were to go through and tell it I don't want it duplexed, it deactivates those settings, and now I have single-sided originals to single-sided copies.